ensure the coupling fluid flow rate is stable, we need full coverage on the leading edge.
Flow rate is nominal. The scan data shows no subsurface anomalies in this section.
Quality check complete. Routing to Process A, fuselage ribs, and Process B, wing skins.
Confirmed.
Zero-point alignment confirmed.
Readings stable. We are good to go.
Demonstrating efficient material utilization, the complex fuselage rib is released. The robotic arm transfers the strap.
During deployments. The molecular structure of the aerospace alloy is permanently altered, locking in the required aerodynamic curvature.
The massive wing skin retains its precise curvature as it is carefully lifted. The vacuum system ensures stability.
All parameters within tolerance. We are clear.
Confirmed. Proceed to the next sequence.
Check the flow rate on sector 3. It seems slightly low.
Adjusting now. The atomization looks stable according to the laser data.
The massive component is smoothly suspended, showcasing its scale. Once secured on the fixture, the quality
The A400M wing skin, designated Process B, is maneuvered by the gantry system. It requires
Visual checks complete. The surface is perfect.
Confirmed. Ready for paint application.
The integration of the Process B wing is complete. We're finalizing the connections now before the engines are mounted.
Checking clearance on the starboard wing.
Confirmed. Systems check is complete. Ready for engine start.
Fuel pumps, crossfeed open.
Check, crossfeed open. Hydraulic pressure green.
Hold position. Set the chains on the rear mounts. Clear to move forward 5 meters.
Showcasing the final aesthetic and functional coating, the precise maneuvering demonstrates the responsiveness of the rigid wing skins, crucial for tactical military operations. The texture of the paint adheres perfectly to the underlying light green primer and the treated aluminum alloy.
The massive wings, supported by the wing skins, cut smoothly through the thin air, maintaining perfect stability.
The massive wings catch the first light of day, emphasizing their crucial role in generating lift. This is
The Airbus A400M's structural integrity, highlighted by the Process B component, ensures operational safety during extreme maneuvers.
The non-corrosive properties of the Aerospace alloy and its primer, Process B, are essential for maintaining long-term structure. The A400M provides a stable platform, essential for delivering aid in these difficult environments.
Verify the sensor right here.
Pressure is good, logging the data.
A visual focus on the low-level flight demonstrates the tactical capabilities enabled by the structural rigidity and aerodynamic precision of the Process B components.
Stand by for green light. Go, go, go!
The anti-corrosion coating, Process B, ensures the alloy's integrity against severe moisture and environmental degradation.
Having endured a full cycle of operational stress, the aerospace-grade aluminum alloy is ready for the next deployment.
The standardized application can be deployed across the entire unit, ensuring complete distance.
The wing skins remain structurally perfect through all climate extremes. This montage emphasizes the global reach and versatility of the aircraft.
The robustness of the wing skin here is key. We can open and close these repeatedly.
Right, seamless integration for high usage environments.
Cargo secured, manifest signed.
Zulu Niner, you are clear for departure checks.
The sensor housing is seamlessly integrated, from precision of the cutouts.
The sheer scale and stable performance of the wing confirm the successful transformation of the raw aluminum alloy ingot into a mission-critical flight surface.
We are proud to formally hand over this magnificent aircraft, the culmination of extensive international.
The wing skins endure the maximum bending moment, demonstrating material strength. The aircraft becomes a distant dot.
The consistent performance of the wing skins is maintained across all environments, highlighting the robust nature of the aerospace alloy.